MBA crash course on business analytics and big data. Business analytics refers to the use of data, statistical analysis, and quantitative methods to derive insights, make informed decisions, and drive business performance. It involves the collection, interpretation, and transformation of data into meaningful information that can guide strategic and operational decision-making. Big data, on the other hand, refers to large and complex datasets that cannot be effectively processed using traditional data processing applications. It encompasses high volumes, variety, and velocity of data, often generated from various sources such as social media, sensors, and online platforms. Big data analytics involves extracting valuable insights and patterns from these vast datasets to drive business value. Now, let's briefly discuss some common techniques used in business analytics. Descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing historical data to gain insights into past performance and trends. It involves techniques such as data visualization, reporting, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics leverages historical data to make predictions about future events or outcomes. Techniques such as regression analysis, time series forecasting, and machine learning algorithms are commonly used in predictive analytics. Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics aims to provide recommendations or optimize decision-making by considering various constraints and objectives. It uses techniques such as optimization models, simulation, and decision trees. Data mining. Data mining involves discovering patterns, relationships, and insights from large datasets. It utilizes techniques like clustering, association analysis, and anomaly detection to uncover hidden patterns and relationships within the data. Machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable systems to learn from data and make predictions or take actions without being explicitly programmed. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning are common types of machine learning techniques used in business analytics. Text mining and natural language processing, NLP. Text mining and NLP techniques are used to extract meaningful information from unstructured textual data. Sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity recognition are examples of text mining and NLP techniques. Data visualization. Data visualization techniques help to present data in a visual format, making it easier to interpret and understand. Graphs, charts, and interactive dashboards are commonly used for data visualization. Optimization techniques. Optimization techniques aim to find the best solution to a problem by maximizing or minimizing specific objectives while considering constraints. Linear programming, integer programming, and network optimization are examples of optimization techniques used in business analytics. Social network analysis. Social network analysis involves analyzing relationships and interactions among individuals or entities in a social network. It helps to identify influential nodes, community structures, and information flow patterns. Simulation modeling. Simulation modeling enables the creation of models that mimic real-world systems to understand their behavior and evaluate different scenarios. It is often used in supply chain optimization, risk analysis, and capacity planning. Data warehousing and business intelligence. Data warehousing involves the process of integrating and organizing data from various sources into a central repository. Business intelligence tools and techniques are then used to extract insights and support decision-making. Data governance and ethics. Data governance focuses on establishing policies, procedures, and controls to ensure the accuracy, integrity, and security of data. Ethics in data analytics involves addressing privacy concerns, data protection, and ethical usage of data to ensure responsible and ethical business practices. In summary, business analytics and big data play a crucial role in today's data-driven business landscape. By leveraging techniques such as descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, data mining, machine learning, and more, organizations can extract valuable insights from large datasets to inform decision-making, optimize processes, and drive competitive advantage. However, it's important to note that while these techniques offer immense potential, they also come with ethical considerations. The responsible use of data and maintaining data privacy and security should be top priorities for organizations engaging in business analytics and big data initiatives. In conclusion, business analytics and big data provide businesses with powerful tools to extract insights, make informed decisions, and gain a competitive edge. The wide range of techniques available allows organizations to analyze data effectively, uncover patterns, predict outcomes, and optimize processes. However, it's essential to approach data analytics with ethical considerations and a focus on data governance. Now, as promised, here is a poem that captures the essence of business analytics and big data. In a world flooded with information's flow, where data reigns supreme, with stories to show. Business analytics, a mighty tool in hand. Unveiling insights, helping organizations understand. Descriptive analytics paints a vivid scene. Summarizing data, bringing clarity serene. Visualizations and reports, a visual delight. Guiding decisions, shining a bright light. Predictive analytics peeks into the future's veil. Unveiling patterns, letting organizations prevail. With regression and forecasting, a crystal ball. Predicting outcomes, standing tall. Prescriptive analytics, the optimizer's domain. Finding solutions amid constraints and gain. Optimization models, a strategic guide. Maximizing efficiency, with nothing to hide. Data mining delves deep into the treasure. Unearthing patterns, a valuable measure. Clustering, association, anomalies to find. Hidden gems in data, a brilliant bind. Machine learning, the brain's new frontier. Algorithms learning, without human interference. Unleashing intelligence, making predictions. Automating processes, with precision and convictions. Text mining and NLP, decoding the text. Sentiment analysis, emotions to detect. Topics revealed, entities brought to light. Unraveling the language, with insights bright. Visualization, a feast for the eyes. Graphs and charts, a visual guise. Conveying data's story, with colors and lines. Making it comprehensible, a design so fine. Optimization techniques, the quest for the best. Linear programming, constraints put to the test. Networks optimized, resources allocated. Efficiency achieved, never underestimated. Simulation modeling, a virtual world's creation. Replicating reality, a powerful simulation. What-if scenarios, experiments run. Understanding systems, until all is done. Data warehousing, a central abode. Integrating data, easing the load. Business intelligence, extracting insights. Unleashing knowledge, soaring to new heights. Social network analysis, connections revealed. Influence, communities, relationships unsealed. Mapping networks, understanding the ties. Flowing information, unlocking the prize. Data governance and ethics, a moral stand. Protecting privacy, with a guiding hand. Responsible usage, integrity held dear. Ethics and analytics, ensuring transparency clear. Business analytics and big data, a transformative force. Empowering decisions, steering a new course. Unlocking potential, in every bite and bit. Guiding organizations, towards success, they commit. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.